Hey everyone, welcome to our video on how IMDb uses data analytics to rate movies and TV shows. IMDb is one of the most popular platforms for movie and TV enthusiasts, and their rating system is a key feature of their platform. So let's find out how they calculate their ratings. Let's dive in and find out. IMDb has millions of users who rate movies and TV shows on a scale of 1 to 10. The more ratings a title receives, the more reliable their rating is. But not all ratings are equal. It uses a weighted average rating system to calculate its ratings, so more active users carry more weight and the rating matters more. It also takes into account title's popularity when calculating its rating. Now, the more people who rate a title, the more accurate the rating results are going to be. It doesn't stop there. IMDb uses various machine learning algorithms to analyze user behavior and NLP techniques to extract sentiment information on the reviews. These techniques are carried out to predict how users are likely to rate a particular title. It then uses collaborative filtering to recommend movies and TV shows to its users. Regression analysis is used to identify relationships between various factors that affect a movie's rating. Cluster analysis is used to group movies and TV shows into similar categories based on various factors such as genre, cast, and storyline. Finally, network analysis, which helps them to make more accurate recommendations to users who are looking for specific types of movies or TV shows. This doesn't just help them identify trends, but by using a combination of user ratings, machine learning, and data analysis techniques, it is able to provide a reliable and accurate rating system that helps movie and TV enthusiasts make more informed decisions about what to watch. If you enjoyed this video and found this helpful, don't forget to share, subscribe, and like this video.